Welcome to the Adventurous Ava Show. Today I'm going to do my EpiPen. Today, first, take out the lid. First, do this. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! You want to shut? You missed it again? First, take out the lid. Okay, do this. 1, 1, 2, 3. Do that and take it out. Boom. Don't even worry, people. It won't hurt. It's just going to take all the stuff out what you just ate. It will make you feel better. Welcome to the Adventurous Ava Show. My mommy for the TV had a fish. Just do it.
Press the button. All right, press the button. Don't let it go. Oh. Press the button. Throw it back. Very good. Now roll it back. Keep going. Keep going. Keep rolling. Good job. Keep going. All right. Press the button. Throw it back. Almost.
What is this?
That's bait.
Bait. That's made for the fish to eat.
Very good. Very good.
It looks so sparkly, guys. We need this for the rainbow fish. Cheese also. Mama.
I'm right here. Come on.
Okay, right here. He's right there. But I'm not doing this. Okay.
Give it to me. Yeah, pick it up and give it to me.
Oh my God.
Pick it up and give it to me, Pumpkin. Mama hand right here. Just pick it up and give it to me.
Okay.
He know when it's sticking up.
Just get it, Mama. Give it to I'm right here. Give it to me. Give it to me. That's right. Give it to me. Very good.
I did it.
Press the button. Good job.
Yes, go for it, Kimora. Let me catch a fish like me. Is that a fish? Huh? Is that a fish? No. Look. I saw the net. You know? Today's word is allergy. Something your body doesn't like. See you next time, guys. I see you tomorrow.